Mustang Coupe.
For more info, contact Paul Linkmeyer at 610-430-8432.
All right, we've done our duty, so check it out. You guys, if you're interested, it's there. Now, back to the cars.
Yes, let's go.
We're going?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We're going.
We're going to see my car, and we have to be very quiet here because it's in a place in the building that not too many people know about.
All right, so this is where the Mustang sleeps.
Yeah.
You're gonna pull her covers off without her even knowing.
Yeah.
This is Ed's Mustang. Ah, she's clean. What year?
07.
07? Wow, clean 07. This car is 12 years old, and she's clean.
99,000 miles on this car.
99,000 miles?
One owner car.
One owner car guy. There you go. I'm throwing it out there, Nathan, for you.
43 service records in 10 years that the guy had the car, so he took very good care of it.
Did you put that custom gas cap on there?
He did that.
Okay.
And I have the original in the trunk.
I'm not a fan of those things.
I'm not either.
All right, good.
I'm not either.
Good. I'm glad I didn't insult you just now.
Right. And we'll do a cold start up on it.
You just pulled the keys out. you just did that on video. All right. The clip you just saw is because I just can't tell you. I had to hard clip that video. I'm sorry. That was funny though.
All right, it hasn't been started since November, so let's see how we do.
Since November?
Yeah.
It is February 16th, 17th. What is it? We don't know the date. It's somewhere
21st.
21st, February 21st. 99,000 miles on this baby. Listen to that. You gonna give me a little rev even though it's cold? He's being gentle. Nice. Sounds good. What's it got? What kind of exhaust system it's got on? Is that stock?
Stock, yeah.
That's stock?
Yeah.
Ah, Ford. Good job. Good job. Thought that was tuned a little bit. GTCS. Wow. That's clean. All right, I'm gonna put the light on.
I got you.
All right, we got two lights. We got two light sources here. Very clean. Very nice.
MSG.
K&N, you got a K&N air filter.
Yeah. New MSG coil pack.
Oh, nice. You do me for a grab the follow from under my arm. My left arm. That's my right. Oh, this is shaking. Sorry, guys. Yeah, look at that. Did you notice a great performance change? Did you notice a performance change? A little bit?
Yeah.
Nice.
And then put
Roush suspension. Roush, there you go. Little shout out for Roush.